Hello and welcome to ICEP Iluno, where history meets headlines. Today, we embark on a journey that is not just spiritual, but political, cultural, and deeply civilizational. We explore two ancient Hindu temples located in present-day Pakistan, Hinglas Mata Temple in Balochistan and Katas Raj Temple in Punjab. These shrines, though rooted in faith, now stand at the intersection of rebellion, nationalism, and lost heritage. Hinglas Mata Temple. Deep within the Lasbla district of Balochistan lies the Hinglas Mata Temple, one of the 51 Shaktipithas in Hinduism. According to mythology, this is the sacred spot where the head of goddess Sati is believed to have fallen. The temple is nestled beside the Hingol river, surrounded by barren hills and mystical silence. For Hindus, it is a vital pilgrimage site. For the local Balak and Sindhi Muslims, she is revered as Nani Peer. Every year, thousands of pilgrims take part in the Hinglas Yatra, a rare interfaith spiritual experience in a region otherwise known for its insurgency. But in recent months, as Balak rebels intensify their demand for independence, the temple has become more than just a religious site. It has emerged as a symbol of India's civilizational footprint in a land now seeking to sever ties with Pakistan. Some Balak nationalists even refer to the temple as proof of a culturally distinct Balak identity, separate from the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Could this ancient temple become a spiritual bridge between India and a potential future Balak nation? Katas Raj Temple, Shiva's shrine across the border. Now, let's travel to the Chakwal district of Punjab province, where the Katas Raj Temple stands, a site dedicated to Lord Shiva. Legend has it that when goddess Sati died, Lord Shiva's tears fell and formed the sacred pond at Katas Raj. More than a religious site, this temple was once a center for Hindu philosophy and learning. The Pandavas are said to have spent part of their exile here, and the temple was once influenced by Adi Shankaracharya's teachings. Its architecture reflects the cultural blend of Hinduism and Buddhism, showcasing stone carvings and spiritual serenity. However, post-partition, this temple became inaccessible to the majority of Indian devotees. Indo-Pak tensions reduced the site to a diplomatic relic, open only under strict surveillance and on special occasions. The temple, once alive with Vedic chants, now echoes with silence. Temples and geopolitics, culture in the crossfire. These temples, Hinglas Mata in Balochistan and Katas Raj in Punjab, are no longer just shrines. They are now symbols caught in a geopolitical tug-of-war. The demand for an independent Balochistan is no longer just about freedom from Pakistan. It's about reclaiming a unique identity, of which Hinglas Temple is an integral part. Balak nationalists argue that the Pakistani state has not only ignored their political rights but also tried to erase their cultural and religious history. Meanwhile, Katas Raj Temple has turned into a symbol of diplomatic stagnation. Despite India's requests to preserve and restore it, bureaucratic inertia and religious intolerance in Pakistan have kept it neglected. Faith, once the unifier of civilizations, is now collateral in a clash of borders and ideologies. Can faith transcend borders? Both temples remind us of one profound truth: faith knows no borders. Hinglas Mata is worshipped not only by Hindus but also by Muslims. Katas Raj stands as a testament to shared civilizational values that once thrived across the Indian subcontinent. But will India ever regain meaningful access to these sacred sites? Will spiritual heritage be acknowledged beyond nationalistic pride? Or will these temples remain distant symbols of a time when the subcontinent was united by spirit, if not by state? Temples are more than stone and sanctum. They are stories carved into time, mirrors of civilization, and echoes of ancient wisdom. As Balochistan stands at a historical crossroads, so too does the fate of Hinglas Mata Temple. As Indo-Pak relations sway, Katas Raj Temple stands in silent witness to the cost of division. If you believe in preserving ancient heritage, hit that like button. Comment below, should India forge deeper cultural ties with Balochistan if it gains independence? And don't forget to subscribe to ICEP Iluno, where we bring you stories where history meets headlines.